Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to disable autoplay videos on Facebook using your PC. Autoplay can be distracting and consume unnecessary data, but turning it off is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Facebook by navigating to facebook.com in your browser. Log into your account if you haven't already. Next, locate your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. This will take you to Facebook's Settings page, where you can customize various aspects of your account. Now, look for the Media section on the left-hand side menu and click on it. This section contains options for controlling how media behaves on Facebook. Within the Media settings, find the Autoplay Videos option. Click on it to reveal the available settings. Finally, select Off to disable autoplay videos. Once done, make sure to click Save to apply your changes, and that's it. Going forward, videos will no longer play automatically as you scroll through your feed. You can now enjoy a quieter and more controlled browsing experience. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might find autoplay videos just as frustrating. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.